Hold on to your sense of normal, because the act of contagious yawning, a phenomenon where simply seeing, hearing, or even thinking about someone else yawn triggers the urge in yourself, is so deeply wired into our social brains that studies have shown people are more likely to catch a yawn from close friends and family, and those who are less susceptible may actually have higher tendencies towards psychopathic traits, hinting that your reflexive urge to yawn might secretly measure your empathy and connection to other humans.